Simple, how to change compound into simple. Compound sentence into simple by using what? Being. One example. Tanu. One example. I was a boy. I was a school boy. And I did not attend my classes. Can you change into simple sentence? So what is the basic rule of changing? Of course it is compound sentence. Yes or no? Is it compound? Yes, yes. It is joined by and what is and? Conjunctions. And we understood that what is compound conjunction? Which are the compound conjunctions? Fulla? Huh? Who is she? Stop it. Okay. Fanboys. These are no need to worry about this one. Fanboys are the compound conjunctions. We also call them coordinating conjunction. What we call a coordinating. Don't confuse with correlating conjunctions. Correlating, that is also very dangerous. Correlating, it means double conjunctions. Not only but also. Either or, neither nor. That we will discuss later. Fanboys is used, and one thing is, I told you that if helping verb, am, is, or, was, were, have, has, can, could, or auxiliary, helping verb or auxiliary both are same. If it is joined, use being, though it is in past or future, or if it is in present. Okay, and as it is compound sentence, make it one sentence. Yes, come on. Yes, don't use I was being. Yes, being what? A school boy. Being a school boy, I didn't attend my classes. But again, meaning is the same. But what we did? We deleted what? A conjunction. If a conjunction is used, there will be two clauses. Nothing but two small sentences, part of a sentences. Okay, understood? Shall I understood or not? Okay, one more example. Take one more example. First, write down this. Correlative conjunctions, remember, I think 2-3 classes for that only. Minimum 3 classes we need for what? A correlative conjunction, and it is compulsory. Question will definitely come, and many times appeared. You can go through previous question papers. It is appeared. And finally, I will tell you one trick. Remember how to recognize, how to change simple to compound, compound to complex, complex to simple. Now not. Still, you need to understand many things. Last year, one trick ಐತಿ. Compound ಅನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ತರಬೇಕು, ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ನ ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್. It is the biggest challenging for first language students. Jaypal. Or Samudra, come here. Have you seen my bag? What color it is? Huh? Orange? Black bag.
Black and orange line.
Side pocket of the water bottle we keep now. There are two markers are there. Go, blue. There only blue take. Huh? Next, Arman, clean the board. Or? Okay. We shall go to previous year question paper later. Take one more example. My father was a college boy. My father was a college boy. But similar to earlier question, so that we can solve easily. My father was a college boy. But he did not attend all the classes regularly. Very simplest one. Come on. But he did not attend all the classes regularly. Yes, come on. Come. Very good. Shall I answer? Okay, I will only answer. Okay, come on. Anybody can answer. Same as we solved. Chandana. Dia.
Being a college boy, my father didn't attend all the
Very good. Being a college boy, my father did not attend all the classes regularly. Next, one more question. We celebrated Independence Day and performed in which dance it is? Dance. Cultural folk dance. What? Deshuddhiratal dance. Yes. And we performed in patriotic dance. We celebrated Independence Day and performed in patriotic dance. Come on, fast. ING. That's it. No need to think. Demate. After celebrating Independence Day, we performed in patriotic. Yes. Okay. Next example. My father bought, of course, buy and purchase has difference. Do you know? I told you once. What is the difference between buy and purchase? I am going to purchase vegetable. I am going to purchase book, pen. I am going to buy a pen. I am going to buy a pen is right. I am going to purchase a pen is right. I am going to purchase it. I'm going to purchase a pen or I'm going to buy a pen? Purchase. Purchase means when you get an expensive thing. My father is going to purchase car or going to buy a car? Purchase. Purchase means big one. Okay. My father purchased a car, but he did not learn to drive. Chandana. Yes, after. Use after and change first finite verb. What it is called? A finite verb or action verb, but it is finite in this concept. After purchasing what? A car. My father did not learn to drive. ಕಾರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬಂದ್ರು ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರು, ಕಲ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್, ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ ದೋಸ್ತ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ. ನಮ್ಮ ದೋಸ್ತ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಗ್ತೀರಿ, ಏನು ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು ನಾನು, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೀರಿ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ. My friend engaged with a girl, but he did not take her number to talk. ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬೇಡ, ಕಡಿ ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಂತೀನವ, ಮದುವೆ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕ ನಂಬರ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಹೆಂಗ ವೆರಿ ರೇರ್ ಕೇಸ್ನ. ಈಗ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಿಂಗದಾರ. ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್, ಐಮ್ ಟೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 10 years before. Write an example. I think no need to write. My friend, right? My friend engaged with a girl, but did not talk with her. Swasa. Sit down. Obale. After plus ing. Kartika.
After engaging with a girl, my friend didn't talk with
Her. Very good. After engaging with a girl, my friend didn't talk. Okay. Now it's time to take some questions from previous year. ಏನು ಹಳೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಒಳಗೆ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡೋದು. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮಿರರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್? Question paper is a mirror. How a driver drives what is coming in front of him. At the same time, he must see what is there behind him. So he will look up. He will see in the mirror. ಹಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಮಿರರ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಮಿರರ್ ಅದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರು and how question can be asked. Same concept. Simple, compound, complex, direct, indirect, adject, passive voice, active voice. ಅದೇ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು? 10 ವರ್ಷ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ. How many years? 10 years question paper, and every year 2 exams were conducted. Yes, 2 exams. Since last year 3 exams. Totally 21 question paper we have. 21 question paper. That to board exam question paper, not model question paper. Brother, clean the board again. ತಲೆ ಹಾರ್ದಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ okay, change the sentence into complex and compound. First, change into compound. Simple question, very interesting question. Change the sentence into compound. Question: having finished his work, he went out to play. I'll write the question, don't worry. Change into compound. Which question they give, they don't tell. You have to recognize. You recognize ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕದನ್ನ. Okay? What is the question? Question year number. I'll tell you. Question year 2020. Write down. 2020 February 17. I think before lockdown or after? Before lockdown. 19 and 20 question for this academic year. 17 February 2020. Change, okay, having finished. See how question paper, how question is asked this one. Now question solve ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು question ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ವಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ question. ಇದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಹಿಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕದು. ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ his work, comma, I told you what comma places importance. Conjunction ಇರಲೇಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಫುಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಅದು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸ್, ಎರಡು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ ಎರಡು ಮೇನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಆರ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಕಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿ ವೆಂಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ. ಎಸ್, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಯಾರು ಇದು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಅದನ್ನು? ಸಿರಾಮ್, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದ ಡೋರ್. Ballari, sit. First tell me which sentence it is, either complex, compound or simple. Simple, confirm? How? Yes. What it is? Having. What is having? Gerund. What it is? Gerund. Okay? And recognize two main verbs here. One we have went ಐತೆ, ಒಂದು ವರ್ಬ್ ಐತೆ, ಒಂದಾದ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? ವರ್ಬ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್. ಅಥವಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಏನು? ನೌನ್, ಜರಂಡ್. ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಜರಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಬ್ ಎಲ್ಲೈತಿ? ನಮ್ದ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಪ್ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಸ್ವಿಮ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ವರ್ಬ್? Swimming is good for health. No action. ಎಲ್ಲದರಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್. Who is swimming here? Any action is going on? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಐತಿ ಬೈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ? Laughing is good for health. Who is laughing? Somebody is doing work here. ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ laughing is good for health. Smiling is good for health. What smiling? Gerund. Nothing but noun. Understanding? Fix ಮಾಡ್ಕೋರಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮು, ದೆನ್